MY Video captures a scenic journey that begins at Gardens by the Bay MRT station, continues towards Satay by the Bay, loops around Jurassic Nest, and finished at Marina Bay Sands. Along the way, the Kingfisher Wetlands provide a magical highlight, where a lively group of otters can be seen running around. It's a walk that blends food, nature, and city views, with the otters as the unforgettable moment waiting at the end. Satay by the Bay is one of the most popular food spots inside Gardens by the Bay, and it's designed to feel like a laid-back hawker center by the water. The atmosphere is casual and open air, with plenty of seating under a canopy surrounded by greenery. What makes it special is the variety of local dishes you can find, from smoky satay skewers grilled over charcoal to seafood, noodles, and other Singaporean favorites. It's a place where families, tourists, and locals all gather, especially in the evenings when the breeze from the bay makes it even more inviting. Now we are at Kingfisher Wetlands, and to our surprise, we came across a playful otter family running around together. It's such a delightful sight, the way they move in a group, slipping in and out of the water, chasing each other along the banks, and pausing to look curiously at visitors. This moment feels like a hidden treasure along the walk, reminding us that Gardens by the Bay isn't just about plants and architecture, but also about the wildlife that calls it home. Watching the otters adds a burst of life and energy to the journey, making the wetlands a truly memorable stop before heading back toward Marina Bay Sands.
在这边，在这边。看到了，还，是我第一次在新加坡看到。我们上海报。是啊。我这个烧呢？để sao cho nó đốt 水塔一样的。
I can't see them. I can only see what they're doing to the grass. Are they there? There they are. I can see them.
They're working on that big fish.
There they are. It's hard to see them, darling, because they're under the water.
Jurassic Nest Food Court is a unique dining destination inside Gardens by the Bay that combines food with a touch of prehistoric adventure. The space is themed around dinosaurs, with life-sized animatronic figures and immersive decor that make you feel like you've stepped into a Jurassic world. It's especially fun for families and kids, as the dinosaurs occasionally move and roar, adding excitement to the meal. We are now at the Supertree Grove, the heart of Gardens by the Bay. These towering vertical gardens rise dramatically into the sky, covered in lush plants and glowing with vibrant colors when the lights come on at night. Standing beneath them feels almost surreal, like being in a futuristic forest where nature and technology blend seamlessly. The super trees aren't just beautiful, they're also functional, helping to collect rainwater, generate solar power, and provide shade during the day. This spot is one of the most iconic highlights of the walk, offering panoramic views of the Marina Bay skyline and a magical atmosphere that makes it unforgettable. It's the perfect place to pause, look up, and take in the grandeur before continuing your journey. Looking up at the super tree from the top is an awe-inspiring experience. From this vantage point, You can truly appreciate the scale and design of these vertical gardens, with their towering frames covered in lush greenery and vibrant blooms. The view stretches out across the entire gardens by the bay, blending the natural landscape with the futuristic architecture of Singapore's skyline. Crossing the bridge toward Marina Bay Sands is always one of the most breathtaking parts of the walk. From here, you get a sweeping view of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel rising majestically against the skyline, the Singapore Flyer turning slowly in the distance, and the shimmering waters of the bay reflecting the city lights. It's a moment where nature, architecture, and the vibrancy of Singapore all come together in a single panorama. The walk across feels almost cinematic, making it the perfect finale to your journey through gardens by the bay. Right in front of us stands the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks. Its 3 soaring towers are connected at the top by the Sky Park, a massive structure shaped like a ship that seems to float above the skyline. From this angle, you can appreciate the grandeur of its architecture, sleek, modern, and instantly recognizable. The hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's a destination in itself. Inside, it houses luxury rooms, world-class restaurants, a casino, and the famous infinity pool at the Sky Park, which offers unmatched views of the city and bay. At night, the entire structure comes alive with lights, reflecting beautifully on the water and creating a dazzling backdrop for the Marina Bay area.